Finally, we have come to 2021. As we walk into 2021, it is truly important to remember the messages of 2020, to be grateful, to feel blessed that we are all here, and to welcome this new year. This 2021 is a harbinger of all the changes, all our expectations, of our dreams, of our visions of the future, all together coming into being. Everything we do moving forward will change our destiny. And this is the blessing of 2021. That we have it in the palm of our hands, and in our hands lies our ability to change our fate. Let us believe, let us draw strength from each other, let us feed into the expectations of the future. Let us make this come true, and may 2021 truly be the best year ever. Happy New Year. May God bless you all. Stay safe.